Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Today I'm going to work on one of the pushpin boards that's in my daughter's room, and then she stopped using it because the buttons popped off at several places. So it's not much of a use to her. So I thought like I will repurpose it and give a attractive look to it, and so she can reuse it again. So I don't like to throw things away. I want to give a new look and repurpose it and use it again. So the things that I'm going to do is like I'm going to put use sequins where the buttons were, and this is also again from Dollar Tree. And I got this nice box from Dollar Tree. It's so cute, so I thought like I have to make use of it, and I thought of this project, so it will be a right place to put this stuff. And I spray painted it gold to save some time, and I'm going to stick it like this so she can put her pens or erasers or markers, and she can use this as to stick pictures and also use as a push pin board. So things that I have around the craft room is this my purple diamond wrap. So it was used for another project, so I had this left over and it's going with the theme, so I'm going to use this. And also some of the glittery ribbon, I'm going to use this as it matches the color, and also sequin ribbon from Dollar Tree, and also my diamond wrap. And also I need some of the glue sticks, glue gun, and scissors. So these are the things I'm going to use and make it to give a new look to it. So yeah, let's get into the project. decorated pushpin board, and I stuck the wooden box, and I covered the wooden box with purple diamond wrap and green diamond wrap in the center, and I also stuck um, kind of a trim, shiny trim, gave like a bow kind of a look, and stuck the sequin gem, the green, to go along with the theme. And I also did the same with all these joining points. And I got this push pins, so cute, the ducky push pins. So I stuck that, so she can use that as a push pin board, and also can put some pictures in the center. So yeah, this is a nice project to work with your children, and also they'll have fun doing along with you. And yeah, I enjoyed working and making this pushpin board reusable again, and so I didn't throw it away. So I made good use of it. So yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed doing this. I hope you also enjoyed watching this. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Like the videos, share, and click on the bell button for notifications on videos like this. And I'll see you next time. Stay safe, and thank you for watching.